everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sinisha and this is PeepSo Feature Highlights. Today we're gonna continue talking about widgets. In our previous episode, in case you didn't see it, we started adding widgets to our website and we took over the header with the user bar widget. We published the PeepSo profile widget in the left sidebar and the latest members widget in the right sidebar. But we went beyond just publishing the widgets. We actually went through every single configuration option that we have available in the widgets. I'm not sure why am I logged out. And then discussed every single one of these options. So we went through all of these options available and explained how are they going to affect your website. All right. And it's important to know that we are using the PeepSo free bundle. So everything you see in these videos can be achieved with zero cost or no money at all. Everything is free, okay? So we already covered a couple of widgets, and now I'm going to go through a few more widgets in this episode because, once again, there is a lot to talk about. But most of the configuration is just repeating the same configuration for the different widget. For example, PeepSo community photos and community videos. If I publish them in the right sidebar, let's say PeepSo community photos, and then I'm gonna add PeepSo community audio and video, you will see that these configurations are basically the same. You have a title, limit, hide when empty, and gecko options. And here as well in the media, you have title, limit, hide when empty. And with this one, you have to choose whether or not you want to show only videos, only audios, or all media. So basically, most of the configuration for the widgets is kind of same and repeating, so there is no point to go through all of them. I'm just going to go through one and then mention the other widgets that are going to have same or similar configuration. All right, so with that, we are going to finish this episode covering the PeepSo free bundle, and in the next episode I'm going to install PeepSo Ultimate bundle and see what are the remaining widgets that we get as a full paid package. All right, so let's begin. So let's begin with the two widgets that we published in intro, being latest photos and latest media. In them, we can show all the photos uploaded in our community. However, there is a limitation that these two widgets are only going to show public and site members content. Let me show you. If I go here, upload the photo, choose a photo, open, and then set the privacy of this photo to friends only. Come on, upload the photo. There we go. And then post it as a friends only. You will see that this image will be nowhere in this latest photos widget. Let me just refresh the page to be sure. And as I said, this image is not over here. Now you might be wondering, why is that? Well, you know, people and social media cannot go in the same sentence without mentioning the privacy. All right? Today, people care about the privacy more than they ever did, and social media or social networks need to conform to that. In order to respect people's privacy, we cannot publish the content that they not allow us to do. So if you publish the photo or even the video or audio that you select to be available to friends only, then the rest of the community has no business seeing your photos over here or media over there. Okay, I hope that made sense. Now let's take a look at the configuration one more time for these two widgets. As I mentioned in the intro, they are pretty much the same. You have the option to give it a title, show how many items you want to display. So if I change this to 6 and refresh the page, now it actually didn't update. Widget saved. Okay, now it should work. Now it should show only 6. Which one I'm latest members? Okay, I'm editing the latest members widget, so it's only showing the 6 members over there. Okay, that was the mistake on my part. Let's do the actual widget that we want. Show this PeepSo latest members to 12. Now change the latest photos to display only 6 photos. This one is already displaying. Oh, it's limit 12, but there are no 12 videos in the entire community, so it's showing the maximum it has. Okay, so let's refresh this. Now it's showing only 6. In our case, the best will be 8, so let's change that. Latest photos, change it to 8. And now we have 2 nice rows of the latest public and community photos. Let's go back to the configuration really quick. There's an option to hide when the widget is empty. It will obviously never be empty, so this option makes no sense. For our case, it's good when you start a new website, and then you can enable this option to hide this widget until people start uploading the photos, so it doesn't show an empty content. Gecko options, we've been through Gecko options in the first episode. So if you want to know what they are and how they are working, please go and watch the first episode. I'm not going to continue talking about them here because they are the same for every single widget. So you can choose the style, and I already explained that in the first episode. Okay, so now let's move to the latest media. And as you can see, you have all the basically same options as with latest photos, except here you can choose what type of media you want to show. Okay, now let's talk about the my photos and my videos or audios counterpart widgets. You can find them here in the list. And unlike PeepSo community photos and PeepSo community audio and video, PeepSo photos and PeepSo audio and video will only display the photos and audio and video of the currently logged in user. Okay, so let me display that one over here in the right sidebar. I can just drag and drop it like this, and you will see that it's showing my photos. Limit is 12, hide with empty, get options, basically all the same settings. Okay, but the only difference is that it's going to display my photos like this. All right, let me refresh the page because this is from the test I've been doing it earlier, and it's showing my photos. And this link will take me to all my photos from this particular user. Okay, it will be the same for if you logged in with your own user, then it will show your own photos. Let's go back to the widgets page to see what are the other widgets that we have available. PeepSo Friends is basically like community photos or my photos is going to show your friends. Okay, so let me remove this my photos widget because I don't want it here, and add PeepSo Friends over here on top of this one. As you can see, basically all of the all of the settings are the same. Title, limit, hide when empty. Here is when hide when empty actually made sense, because people that are new to your website will most likely never have a friends, so why showing them the My Friends widget when they don't have any? Okay, I sincerely hope I have some friends with this account. So let's refresh the page, and I don't have any friends. Let me see. No, I don't have any friends. I did send some requests though, but you see the gist of it when the hide when empty is enabled. Let's disable hide when empty. Update this page, update the widgets. And now when I refresh the page on the community or wherever this widget is going to show, now it's going to tell me that my life sucks and I have no friends. And I'm actually going to end this episode over here, because now we went through almost all important widgets. And as you can tell, the configuration for the widget is basically the repeated same thing with the limit, hide when empty, widget title, and then specific widgets might have more options, but they are mostly self-explanatory and easy to understand when you set up the widgets. All right? Okay, in the next episode, we are going to add PeepSo Ultimate Bundle and see what are the widgets provided in a whole paid package. Until then, I wish you all the best with your website, and you know the drill. Subscribe, like, share, and all that good things. Until the next video, bye!